you got a yogic teacher behind it, and then it's good on many, many different levels. Before I say a few things about Arya Patria and tonight's event, I did want to mention that if you have a cell phone, good time to turn it down. Dr. Madan Kataria, and has also worked closely with the very famous Ayurvedic doctor Vasant Lad. And so we have a combination of laughter and insight into the nature of the body and mind and spirit. And tonight we have a lot of fun, and hope you have a great evening. And without further ado, Arya Patria.
I'd like to thank you for each of one for coming. So the way we are going to
Good evening.
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 Good evening. Or kind of, forced laughter. But laughter and humor, they work together. If you are a humor, you laugh. If you don't have a sense of humor and you laugh, you develop a sense of humor. As you know, the Indians are not famous for humor and jokes. They are very serious people. So now this thing has changed lots of life in India. At present time in India, there are about more than 4,000 laughter clubs, and every morning 70-80 people meet in the park and just do nothing but laugh. And now the sense of humor has come. They cook jokes, they go for picnics and things like that. So things have changed. So let me just laugh, okay? We're going to just laugh 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, go. If some of you still feel they're thinking from the mind, the laughter and humor come from heart. So if you're head center, then you need humor or something else to make you laugh. So what you need is a couple of things, what you just did. One is laughter is part, you need willingness to laughter. All of you are here because you are willing to laugh. If you're not willing to laugh, I meet some of the people, they say, I am not going to laugh, you make me laugh. They make my job harder. I can make them laugh, there's no problem. And there's a documentary done on that by CBS that they took me to places where people are difficult to laugh. I had to make them laugh. It was a difficult job for me. So what we're going to do, there are lots of laughter benefit. Number one, which I feel is the best benefit, which Dr. Lee from LA has done, and that's a kind of breakthrough in research. Laughter strengthens your immunity system. So if your immunity system is strong, you are strong, then you don't get all this diabetic, high blood pressure. At present time, number one killer in this country or in the world is stress. Because we get so much news media, so many wars, so much killing going on, we can't control so many things and we get stressed out. It's reducing your stress, it's controlling your heart, blood pressure, diabetes and things like that. So the number of benefits. What you're going to do is only subject, no object. Once you develop it, you don't need any external stimulus to make you laugh once you develop it. Because joy is your true nature. When you came to this country, Almighty God, whatever you call it, He knew this humanity, you will be in a deep problem, so He created joy in you to solve your stress and problem. And as we grow old, we become more and more serious because our parents say, hey, if you want to get a good grade, go get serious. If you want to finish college, go serious. You go to office, everybody serious, serious, serious. So we have layer of inhibition built into that. So what we try to do in Laughter Club, remove your inhibition and laugh. So please move your chair a little bit back. Everybody stand up. Let's make a semicircle. You can fold your chair, and I'm going to use in between the mic. And let's just practice some of the things what we saw in the video. Okay. Another thing is I am making a video, and if any, I like you to sign a non-disclosure. It's not for marketing or anything. I do it for my feedback. So you have a deep objection for the video. Please
he's going to
meet
get people in a semicircle.
I'm not going to commercialize it
Around and laugh.
and things like that. So there's a videographer, so keep in mind. And just now forget he's there, okay? And many people when they come to laughter sessions want to see how we laugh. So I will give you the DVD video if you write your name and address. So with this, I think this is a small group. So we're going to do the first session. Let's start with the When I raise my hand to talk, now we'll do breathing. Deep breathing. Breathing is very important. Also when you're laughing, please do belly button laughter. Don't do throat laughter. Let me show you laughter you should not do. In the beginning when people start laughing, they laugh from throat. Throat laughter is like that. Don't do that. Okay? Do like this. So you can touch your belly button and laugh and you'll see. Most of you don't have a problem, but in some session I go, they have a problem. So I tell them, the best way to develop is early morning or before go to sleep. Lie down like this, put your hand on belly button, try to laugh. Or put a book. If your hand is not spare, put a book on that. And book will go up and down. That's the best way to develop belly button. And belly is very, very important part of your body. Okay. So next we're going to breathing. Breathing is very important. I'll do. So we raise hand. Breathe in. Pause. Breathe out. So each of the exercise we'll do 3 times. Breathing in all the time you have to do through nose because there's a special filter and brain has to get oxygen and all that, and you should know more about body and all that. I didn't want to go into detail. Breathing out you can do from mouth or nose, whatever you feel comfortable.